Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Today we're going to finish decorating this tree so that we can put all the boxes back in the storage shed.
I probably won't even bother at this point, but at least I can get them all out of here into the back corner of the bedroom. So let's get going. Issa's going to help. She's already been threatened once this morning with a squirt gun.
And she's underfoot.
Yes, well, that's part of the normal thing. In case my kids are watching, this is a classic.
Grandkids too.
Yeah, well, the kids are the ones who made these originally. You helping? I bet you are.
We have an ice skater.
So our kids were ice skaters, so we always looked for ice skating ornaments. She's like, oh, you're putting more toys on the Christmas tree for me. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad.
Anytime. Yeah, we'll have to do a little repair on some of these ornaments at the end of the year.
Well, some of these are really, really ancient, so they occasionally get a little crazy glue work at either the end of the year or the beginning of the year, depending on how much time we have. She's staring at me like, if I do something bad, will Mom squirt me?
Yes.
Yes, I will.
Santa's standing on the limb.
Ta-da! Some of these ornaments are old enough that they were actually made in Germany or someplace else instead of China.
That's a sad state of affairs.
Exactly. Now the same sort of sets usually come from China. If you can find them in wood anymore.
Now here's an ornament. Do you recognize that?
Oh, sure. There's another one on here somewhere.
That's a celebrator.
Yeah.
Goat.
That's a beer. That's a beer goat.
It is a beer goat. I always follow the rules of tinsel. It may be my rules, but they're always the rules.
And if he just follows his rules, I have to fix it when he's done.
That's only because we don't have the same rules.
That's right.
Now you had lead tinsel when you were a kid, didn't you?
Yeah, the tinsel on the tree was lead, which means you couldn't eat it, and you had to wash your hands after you were putting it on.
And you always took it off every year so you could use it the next year.
Exactly, and you very careful. It was fragile, so you had to be very careful about taking it off. You didn't break it. And we were very careful, and we would use that same tinsel for years and years and years.
I don't know how many years we reused our tinsel, but it was quite a number of years.
Yeah. Probably until the time I was, I don't know, 8, maybe 9. We had lead tinsel. Yeah. Can you imagine putting lead tinsel on your tree now? And here we have some Dr. Seuss ornaments. I have a whole collection of these miniature ornaments. We really have to scour the tree when we're done with it every year to make sure we've got everything off.
Now, some are really small and they hide.
Oh yeah.
I'm not going to put any further down because I don't want Issa to be tempted by it. Well, maybe I'll put a little bit further down.
Yeah, I think you can put it a little further down. I just never put it around the bottom.
No, then we'll be pulling tinsel out of the cat.
Right. Yeah, we've had cats eat tinsel before. And it won't hurt them because it doesn't not made out of lead like the old stuff was, but it can mess up their digestive systems. We don't need any drama.
We have enough drama already.
Yeah, like no new drama need apply. I'm finding a bunch of Dr. Seuss ornaments in here. Forgotten about.
When did we get those?
I think that's part of when Hallmark was doing all the little miniatures. And that's a long time ago because they stopped that. Gosh, I don't know.
We should check to see if they're doing that again.
Well, the last time I looked, they weren't, which of course was last year. And I've looked at it a couple times. The fads come and go. This was when it was a very fashionable thing to have these miniature Christmas trees.
Right.
So people were using ornaments. Well, I like them for use on our advent calendar and also for use on our regular Christmas tree, because I think cute, dainty Christmas tree ornaments are cute. Here's another one. Thing 2 is flying a kite. Teeny tiny. Thing 2. Yeah, I have a. This is thing 2. This must be thing 1. It is. I hadn't even thought about that. I'm like, okay, if that's thing 2, this must be thing 1. And I have buckets and buckets and buckets of ornaments that are not even going to go on the tree this year. But that's okay.
They go on another year.
I peeked out at most of them, and they have to take their turns. Oh, here we go. Here's one. It's a cat in a hat. Yep, there's a cat in a hat. He's teeny. We were big Dr. Seuss fans when the kids were little, so.
I'm still a big Dr. Seuss fan.
Oh, God, my mother hated Dr. Seuss. It was hysterical. So I remember bringing home Dr. Seuss books from elementary school when I discovered them in the library there. And she gave me all kinds of about the misspellings and the weird words and the make-believe. So I didn't bring them home anymore. I used to read them during library hour instead at the library. And I would read them over and over. I think we had pretty close to every Dr. Seuss book that they wrote.
Every time we go fix some lunch.
Okay, sounds like a plot. Which lunch are we doing? We have many. Or surprise me, I don't know. We purposefully cook so that we'd have a bunch of leftovers for the weekend so we could just grab quick lunches because we have a lot of projects we want to finish up this weekend. I think that's it.
I think that's it.
I get to put the boxes away, yay! Oops, I see something that doesn't have tinsel on it. Oh no.
Oh, it doesn't have tinsel on it.
Right here.
Huh. It had a piece of tinsel.
Maybe a piece of tinsel. His stuff dribbling on top of it.
It had a piece of tinsel.
Did not have anything dribbling off of it, which is important. Otherwise there's no cascade effect.
Nice job.
Ta-da!
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I always love decorating the tree.
And at some point, only one of us could be in here. I got one half of the tree, she got the other half, and then she got the other half too.
Right, well, he's starting lunch. So we hope you enjoyed watching us decorate the rest of our Christmas tree. And somewhere along the line, we'll probably show a couple pictures of it after dark because it does sparkle really nicely once it's got some tinsel on it. So,
thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications because we're going to be doing a lot more stuff.
Yeah, lots more stuff. So until next time, bye.